Hi, class 10th arithmetic progression exercise 5.2, the fourth question. Which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78? So what are the things given here? We must write it first. A, we know that is 3. What is the D value? That is 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. And which term of the AP as it goes on 3, 8, 13, 18, 23, 28, which term will come as a 78? The question is which term come as a 78? So an is given 78, last term is 78. So we need to find out which term. Okay, which term, that is the n we have to find out. So applying the formula is nothing but an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, an is 78. We need to find out n. A, substitute the value 3 plus n, we do not know as it is. D is nothing but 5. Okay, next let me carry the 3 this side. 78 minus 3 and n minus 1 5. I'll keep as it is. If you want, you can multiply 5 into 1s are 5 and 5 into n's are 5 and 5 into 1s are 5, that is minus 5, but I'll keep it as it is. 78 minus 3, that is 75. The into 5 will come as a divided by 5. N minus 1 keep as it is, the simple easiest step. Further I'll go here. 75 by 5. 15 5s are 75, 5 1s are 5, 15s are, so n minus 1, n minus 1 when comes to the other side, that is plus 1, the n is equal to 16. That means when you carry on counting this way, the 16th term will count as a 78. Okay, come to the next problem. Fifth, find the number of terms in each of the following APs. See, questions are somewhat same. Okay, the working out also same. A is given 3, A is given 3, D is 13 minus 7, that is 6, or 19 minus 13, that is also 6. An is equal to 205. Which find the number of terms in each of the following. How many terms, number of terms, n we have to find out, which counts until 205. Formula n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, an we know that is given 205. A, what is the a value? That is 3. I'm sorry, a is 7 here, not 3. A is 7 plus n minus n, we need to find out d. What is the d value? That is 6. 200 minus 205, the plus 7 comes here, minus 7, n minus 1 into 6. 205 minus 7, that is 198. 198, I am sure. Yes, 198. N minus 1, the into 6 comes as a divided by 6 1s are 6 3s are 18. 1 remains again for the 6 3s are 18. 33 is equal to n minus 1. N is equal to 33. Minus 1 transposed, that is 34. Therefore, the 34th term of AP 7,39 is 205. You must write that for answer. Let us come to the next question. Check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP 1185,2. Whether when you continue keep on writing as the AP 11,8,5,2, do we get minus 150 in that series? The question is so. Okay, do we get? To get, if you are getting, we must get the n. If the minus 150 is not in a series of 11,8, AP series, then n will not get as the whole number. I already told you, in a AP series, n should be a whole number. Okay, it cannot be a zero number, it cannot be a fraction number, it cannot be a negative. Let us work off what's given. A is given 11 and D is given 8 minus 11, that is minus 3. Be careful with the sign. And an is given, that is minus 150. The question is 11 8 5 2, is the minus 150 is in the series? Is it in a series? If it is in a series, we must get the n value. So let us find out what is n. Okay, the formula remains same. N is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. an we are presuming it may come, we are not sure. Okay, we'll be sure after we'll be finding out the n value here. N plus n we do not know, we need to find out. D is equal to minus 3. Okay, minus 150, the plus 11 when comes the other side, that is minus 11. So n minus 1 into minus 3 into minus 3 if you want. Minus 150 plus 11, that is 161, minus 161 divided by minus 3 into minus 3 changed into divided by minus 3. Minus minus get case. 3 ones are 3, 5s are 15. Okay, 1 remains, that is 11. 3 doesn't goes with the 11, so that means we will not get a n value here. Okay, we will not get the exact n value, it comes as a fraction. In, let me find out, there is a minus 1, when carried to this side it will become plus 1, so we will not get the n value. Since we do not get a n value, it is not, the minus 150 is not a term of the AP series 11, 8, 5, 2. Move to the next problem. Next question, seventh question, find 31st term of an AP. We must find out A31. A31 is nothing but A plus 30D. Do you remember what I told? If it is a third term, A third, it will change as a plus 2D. If it is the fifth term, A plus 4D. If it is the 100th term, A plus 99D. We have taught it this. So A for 31st term AP, whose 11th term is 38. 11th term A11 is equal to 38 and 16th term is 73. A16 is 73. We need to find out the 31st term. So first whatever data is given, write it. Now A11 will change into A plus 10D. Am I correct? Okay. A plus 10D is equal to 38. So A16 will change into A plus 15D is equal to 73. 1 less D. Okay. Now I am going to change the sign of the substitution, elimination method or a substitution method. Any method we can follow. A and A get cancelled. 10 minus 15 will be minus 5D because the larger number is the minus 15. Now 73 minus 38. What is the value? 73 minus 38. Let me do it here. 73 minus 38. 13 minus 8 is 5. 6 minus 3 is 3. 35. So with 35, that is minus 35. So D is equal to minus 35 minus 5 into, will come as a divided by. Okay. 5 ones are 5, 7s are. So D value will get as a 7. Right. Now substitute in this equation. We will take as a 1 and second equation. Substitute D equation in 1. A plus 10D is equal to 38. 10. What is the D value? 7 is equal to 38. So implies A plus 70 is equal to 38. So A is equal to 38. The plus 70 will move as a minus 70. A is equal to 32. 8, 70, 10, 2, 6 minus 3 is 32. Okay. Here A value is the minus 32. The bigger number sign is minus 32. Right. Now come to, we got D and we got E. We must substitute. Now what is the question is to find out A31, that is A plus 30D. We know the A value. What is the A value? Substitute the A value. A value is minus 32 plus 30 into D. What's the D value? Got 7. Simplify minus 32, 7, that is 210. 210 plus 210 minus 32, that is 8, 7, 172 is equal to 172 is the final answer. A31st. The 31st of the term of this series will be 178. Okay. On to the next question. An AP consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12. Third term, that is A3 is equal to 12. Okay. And the last term, what is the last term? How should we know the last term? Look at the, read the question again. An AP consists of 50 terms. In an AP series, there are only 50 terms. So what would be the last term? The last term, of course, is the 50th term. So 50th term is equal to 106. So A3 will change into A plus 2D. What to find out? Find the 29th term. A29. What is A29? Same as this. Yeah. A plus 2D is equal to 12. A plus 49D is equal to 106. We got two equation 1 and equation 1 minus 2. Change the sign. Right. A get cancelled. 2D minus 49D, that is minus 47D. 106 minus 106 minus 12 minus 106. Okay, 6 2s are 4, and 10 minus 1 is, sorry, yes, of course, 10 minus 1, that is 9, 94, the minus 94. Okay, minus 94. D is equal to minus 94 the whole divided by minus 47. 47 ones are 47 twos are, am I correct? Yes, 47 twos are. The answer is D is equal to 2. Substitute D is equal to in equation 1 or to any equation we can substitute. We have gone through this kind of problem. A plus 2D. Let me write 2D only. Let me take the equation A plus the D value is nothing but 2. 12. 2 2s are 4. 12 minus 4, that is 8. A is equal to 8. Now what to find out? 29th term. A 29 to find out. What will change into A plus? 28D. So A is 8. 28 into D. D is nothing but 2. 28 twos are 56 plus 8, 60. 64 is the answer. Thank you.